Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to scan QR code on laptop. Before you begin, you'll have to make sure that you have a photo of the QR code saved in your device. If you do, then you may proceed. You'll have to first go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then on the search box, search for qreader.online. Then press enter. This will take you to their website. Here, you can see a box on your screen. Inside the box, you can see the Choose File button. Click on Choose File to select the QR code from your device. Now from here, you can go and select the QR code picture. Once you select the picture, then click on Upload. This will simply upload your QR code picture in the site. Then under the QR code, you can see the link given. Click on that link. This will simply open whatever is given through that QR code. This is how you can easily scan QR code on laptop. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.